Good afternoon mga palangga. So, we're going out to water our plants, our strawberry. And kung ano yung tinanim natin dito sa labas. I-water natin. Oh, mister! I told you that I will water it. Thank you. Yung strawberry natin, okay naman sila. They look healthy, oh, and they look alive naman, oh. Yan. I-check natin yung ating what he's doing. I-check natin yung ating grapes. Nandito siya. Hello, little tree. Little grapes. Ayan. It looks okay naman, I think. May nag-comment sa akin na baka mamunga daw to mga 2 to 3 years. Talaga? Akala ko na pag gumapang na sila, they started to bear fruit. Hindi ako aware, so sorry. We will have plenty of apples. So kung ganoon, matagal-tagal pa din yung hintay natin.
We'll have grapes as well.
Someone commented that we have to wait for 2 to 3 years.
Oh, it depends on the vine.
Yeah, this is, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see.
Is this plum?
Pipa, what are you looking there? That's the plum, I think. Or this is the plum. Apple, plum, or apple. I don't know which one is.
Are you spaz?
It's so painful.
Okay, pain.
I really can't move my arm.
What do you mean you can't move your arm?
It goes around here and all here.
Is it?
Ow.
Oh. Eee. Oh. Fun.
I really feel sick.
Think about it. Not. You know. Are you going to grow into them wellies?
Hopefully. Ow. It's so painful.
Get size at feet.
Keep your distance, please.
I'm keeping my distance. I'm zooming.
Oh. We're just gonna go around the field. Well, si Jan nakauna sa akin kasi we still need to keep our distance. Kailangan ko kasi ng exercise kasi today talaga wala akong ginawa kundi nag-assignment, doing my assessment, and nag-TikTok ako. And then earlier, na-film ata ni Jan, I supposed to climb up on the fence, and then I pulled the muscle and it's so painful. So ibig sabihin na kailangan ko ng exercise.
Did you find them up that you didn't know you had?
Yeah, I find a muscle that I didn't know that I have. Tingnan nyo yung mga baka nila, ang tataba. Mga tataba, uy. Yan. Marami silang baka. Yan lang yung nakikita nyo, pero marami yan, as in. Meron din silang mga tupa. Look at him. He's there. Sobrang peaceful. Tingnan. It's so peaceful. So of course, dahil diniligan natin yung mga strawberry, hindi din natin dapat kalimutan yung ating grapes. Sila. And yung raspberry natin. Hindi ako makalapit kay Mr. kasi alam niyo naman. You need to water them from the base, sweetheart. Because I don't want you to injure them. Because they have a new stem coming out. we'll just have to wait 4 more days mga palangga and everything will be back to normal kasi as I have mentioned, I did cough a little bit but then I'm not sure kung yung cough na yun is just because of a dry throat and just one of those tickle na kumakati yung lalamunan mo, but then because of what's been going on, you are paranoid of it, so you just have to take precaution. So I'm trying to keep a distance from John about 7 days kasi wala naman akong another symptom, so I don't think so that I got it. So tapos na tayo sa ating main garden. Dito naman tayo sa greenhouse because there's plenty of kamatis. And yung kapitbahay namin, gusto daw nila ng seedling. So tomorrow bibigyan namin sila kasi we need to decide kasi we need to decide which one we're gonna keep and which one we're gonna give away. So yan na.
The next day.
Kanina pala mga palangga, slow cook tayo ng sausages. Yan. So, nilagyan ko siya ng onion, peas, and gravy. So, yun lang yung nilagay ko. Well, sausages as well. Yan. So, nilagay ko siya sa high heat. So, yung temperature natin is ito lang. Low, medium, high. Yan lang, tatlo. Ano kasi to? Vintage siya ba? Old slow cook siya. Yung mga slow cook na nakikita ko ngayon, may mga makikita talaga na settings, how high is your temperature you want it to be. Like 160 degrees, something like that. Pero yung amin wala. Lalabas tayo. Kasi si Mister, sabi niya, sobrang na-addict daw ako sa TikTok. Na-addict talaga ako, as in, ang saya pala gawin. So bang nakakalonely kasi yun na nga, I'm still keeping a distance to Mister. So wala. Nandun siya, oh. May kausap na iba. Char. Yung bed pala where our raspberry is, ni-rotivate na ni Mister, kinultivate niya. Yan, oh. Kawawa, oy. Dahil dito, I cannot help him. Sabi niya, nakunin mo yung bucket. Kasi kailangan kasi natin siyang linisin. Para makatulong tayo kay Mr. Pupunin ko lang yung mask ko. Kasi pag nag-garden kasi, we cannot keep our distance. So, magmamask na lang ako. Wala naman akong simptomas. Hindi na ako inubo. Pero, we still have to be cautious about it. So, kunin ko lang yung mask to protect John. So, ito na siya. This will not be comfortable mga palangga. Kasi mainit sa labas. But we just have to do this.
Pack your bags. I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand.
Nakikita nyo ba ako? It looks so dark. Si Mr. pumasok lang sa bahay para magpalit ng shoes. Kasi sabi niya yung wheelies niya, yung Wellington, sobrang init daw. Mainit talaga. Pero naka-jacket pa din ako. Well. Ang init mga loves. So ito na. Oh, diba? Ang linis na niya tingnan. Ano yung ginawa ni Mister? Yan. Ang ganda-ganda tingnan. And yung strawberry natin, yung mga bulaklak na nakita natin, okay naman sila. Ito oh. Ito, bumuka na yung bulaklak niya. Yan. So, that's the future strawberry. Soon to be strawberry. Yan din. Madami actually. Madami yung may bulaklak. Yung isang bed, I'm not sure kung meron silang bulaklak. Wala akong nakita. Oh, meron. Meron. Nakakita ako. Ito. Yan. Meron siyang bulaklak. Yan. Bulaklak yan. Nandito rin. Meron. Yan. And ito. Makikita nyo talaga. Sobrang obvious niya. Yan. Oh. So, I think itong new bed natin, makaka-harvest tayo ng mga strawberry. So, hey, I'm so excited. So, we're here inside the house. So, we just need to try. Keep your distance. You're so
No,
hard-headed.
distance is distance. I'm 5 meters away.
It's for your own good. It's
For
for
yours
our own
For
good.
yours as well.
I know. So, don't be naughty.
Never naughty. Are you on pineapple?
They're floating, honey, so I don't need to flip them over.
No. Pineapple or green?
I will give you a closer look, ha. Dali lang. So, ito siya. Kailangan natin ng more gravy kasi yung sauce niya, it's not thick enough. Yan. So, yung sauce niya, yung juice niya ba, sobrang runny. So, we need to add more gravy granules. Tansya-tansya na lang, ha. Tea time na dito. Magluluto tayo. So, si Mr. nag-request siya ng baked potato. So, yung potato natin, maliliit. Ito na lang. Itong tatlo. Dalawa yung sa kanya. Isa yung akin. Yan. Maliliit sila, oh. Meron namang medyo kalakihan, pero well, kasya na yan. Hugasan ko lang. Lagay ko lang to sa oven. No, sa microwave. Lulutuin ko muna to. Nakalimutan. Nakalimutan pala natin. Kailangan natin ng carrots. We need carrots. Wala, nasira. Naku naman. Okay na siguro yan. Malaki naman to. Of course, yung hindi sira, kakainin natin. Napapaboil ako ng water para madali ba. And then yung oven natin, naka-preheat na din. Check ko lang pa kung wala bang tray sa loob. One thing for sure kung bakit ako nag-i-enjoy sa TikTok is yung TikTok is napapakita niya yung other side ko na hindi ko napapakita sa vlog. So, ayun, nakaka-addict talaga. No wonder maraming na-addict sa TikTok. Si Mr. nanonood ng TV. Hindi ko alam kung ilang number or kung ano ang number ngayon sa mga nasawi. So, kanina pala, nag-TikTok ulit ako. TikTok na lang yung pag-uusapan natin kasi wala naman talaga tayong topic. So, nag-TikTok ulit ako at yung challenge na ginawa ko is yung emoji challenge. Hindi pa siya na-upload sa TikTok account ko. Naka-draft pa siya kasi kailangan ko siyang i-finalize. But yun, ang step is Ito, fist. So, ganyan. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Palm, peace sign, fingers crossed. Okay, and ito. Anong tawag nito? And ito. Yan. Wow, peace you. So, yun. Mahirap actually. Kasi nakita ko to sa ibang mga TikToker na pinapractice ko din. Mahirap. Nahihirapan ako na parang ganon-ganon yung kamay mo ba? Another update. Yan. Nakikita ko na yung sausage sobrang lambot. Tikman natin mga palangga. Ang sarap. Happy na ako dyan. Check lang natin. Luto na siya. Lalagay natin sa oven. Mainit siya. Kaya ba natin? No, hindi. I don't think. Baka mahulog natin yung plato. Hindi lang plato yung mahulog. Pati potato. Yan. Yan lang. Yan yung carrots natin. Kumukulo na. Tingnan natin si Mr. Pasilip-silip muna tayo.
So 2 is our law enforcement response.
Yes?
Internationally,
You okay? How many people died today?
in the UK and
Yeah, I can see it.
the Home Secretary has
800? Oh my goodness.
work we have undertaken in the past
That's a
month
lot.
together with our partners.
Still a high number, isn't
International
it?
investigation. We recently arrested a British
So, mataas pa din yung figure sa mga tao na namatay dito sa virus. Nakakasad talaga. Sobrang daming naapektuhan. I hope na soon sasabihin nila na yung virus, it's over. Back to normal. But hindi talaga manonormal kung may isang pamilya ka or kababayan na nawalan ng mahal sa buhay dahil sa virus. It will never be the same. It will never be normal. Mag-pray na lang talaga tayo. Yung sausage, lalagyan ko siya ng garlic. So, we'll have a piece as well. So, today mga palangga is exactly 4 days na hindi ako inubo. And mapapanood nyo to, 5th day na to. So, which is good naman. And some of you were saying na kailangan ko daw i-separate yung mga plato ko, yung mga utensils. I think hindi ko na kailangan. Ako naman talaga, I really think na yung cough na yun is because mainit. And then, may times talaga na our throat is dry and it's tickling. But because there's a virus, we're paranoid about it. We're thinking of something of nothing probably. So, but I know what you are coming from. I know where you're coming from. Mga utensils naman na ginagamit ko, nilalagay naman namin sa dishwasher straight away. At yung dishwasher namin, hinuhugasan namin siya sa mainit na tubig. Yung hot water, basta yun yung settings. So, my manager just texted me, "How are you and your family? Hope you are all well." Aww. I am fine, thank you. Re-replyan ko yan mamaya. So, maraming salamat sa inyo, sa lahat na nag-comment, sa mga advices na dapat daw magtuob ako. Gustong-gusto ko gawin yan, you know, kasi sa probinsya nagtutuob kami. I don't know if alam nyo kung ano yung tuob. Kasi Bisaya yan, I don't know what's the Tagalog term of tuob. Basta parang steam siya ba? Steam. Nagpapasteam ka sa sarili mo. And ako talaga, every morning, umiinom ako ng warm water nung wala pa yung virus. But nung meron ng virus, umiinom ako ng warm water with lemon juice. Ito lang yung lemon juice na meron ako. Wala akong fresh lemon, and wala din akong luya. So, hopefully enough na siya. Isi-set aside muna natin yan. Yung gilid, bearable naman yung init niya. Pero, dahil na rin na we leave it for quite a long time, may tendency talaga na umiinit siya. So, just be careful. Mainit. Stay away!
I'm staying away.
Gusto ko kayong i-correct, ha? Sa TikTok pala, nung kumanta ako, that's not my real voice. Yung real voice ko, nako, ayaw nyo marinig kasi ang pangit. Galing yun sa TikTok, yung kanta na yun.
I'm doing the drinks.
Tikman natin ulit, be.
We're using your glass. Or do you want this one?
Ang sarap. It's... Han, 2 meters!
This is 2 meters. It's 2 meters wide, is this? Do you not know that?
You just...
What? You're being bossy.
I'm not being bossy. Just, you know, try to listen.
Not me.
Try to
I don't want to
listen.
stay at home and look after myself.
Yeah, I know, Han, but I
Yeah,
look
well-
after people as well, you know?
Yeah, I'll do. I'll look after me.
Do you want, how many sausage you want? 4?
As many as I can have. I'm so hungry.
Papakita ko sa inyo yung finished product. Sandali lang nag-dish out ako, ha? Be patient! This man, uy! So, ito na yung finished product. So, this is John's plate. Yan. And that's mine. Look at his face. Very grumpy.
I'm obviously on a diet, I can tell.
You're not on a diet. Bye. I hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
There's plenty of gravy here if you want more gravy. So, tapos na kaming kumain. I am having a dessert. Yung apple pie na binigay sa amin ng mama ni Jen, yung sa mother-in-law ko. So, ice cream. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng apple pie ni mother-in-law. Ito na yung vlog natin for today mga palangga. But before we end this vlog, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo kasi some of you were asking if I can get a test done. Yes, I can get a test done kasi yun na nga na-mention ko sa inyo na nag-cough ako isang beses. What I mean by isang beses, hindi lang ganyan na ganyan, hindi. Nagising ako one evening na nag-cough ako, but luckily, hindi na naman ako nag-cough ever since. So, parang na-paranoid lang ako ba. So, yes, I can get a test done if I want to. Kasi pina-prioritize nila yung mga frontliners, yung mga essential workers, like yung mga doctor, nurses, mga healthcare worker, mga care worker like me, care assistant, mga, basta yung mga less, kung ano yung nasa less sa essential worker, na-prioritize nila. So, at the moment, gusto kong i-reassure sa inyo para hindi din kayo mag-worried. I am 99.9% na okay ako. Hindi siya 100% kasi yun na nga, hindi ko din alam. But I feel okay myself. Hindi ko sinabi na 100% kasi yun na nga, yung mga nag-positive, may mga ibang nag-positive sa virus na hindi sila nag-show ng symptoms. So, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo is I am 99.9 okay ako. So, hindi ko gusto magpa-test at the moment kasi feeling ko hindi ko kailangan at the moment. Mas ibibigay ko na lang yung chance ko sa ibang tao, yung mga tao talagang nagsushow ng symptoms such as constantly coughing, mild or high fever. So, ibibigay na lang natin doon yung chance sa ibang tao na di urgently needed to have a test done. And isa rin sa iniisip ko, let's see, for example, I am off for 5 weeks now kasi ito sana yung holiday ko, tinik sa trabaho to go to the Philippines. So, I am off now for 5 weeks. So, let's say, for example, after 5 weeks, bumalik ako sa trabaho, and what if yung virus mas lumala at merong nag-positive sa pinagtatrabahoan ko? Let's just think the worst case scenario here, ha? I'm hoping naman talaga na pagbalik ko sa trabaho, yung virus mag-calm down siya, and sana matapos na to. So, let's just give that for example. So, let's say for example na ganun pagbalik ko. So, and then pagbalik ko sa trabaho, after like few weeks of working, mag-show ako ng proper symptoms sa virus, like constantly coughing and having a fever. So, parang, you know, if I will get the test done now and okay ako and it will come back negative, so parang na waste ko yung time sa ibang frontliner ba. So, gusto ko yung isave na yung pagkakataon kasi baka next time mas kailangan ko yung pagkakataon na yan. And I know naman na they won't think like that you are wasting their time, because you are a worker, you are a care worker, and you are looking after people. So, they know that you are exposed to many different people. And, yeah, yun lang yung iniisip ko. So, I am okay naman. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga well wishes niyo, sa mga advices. So, maraming salamat. So, what I'm doing right now is, if i-finish ko muna tong 7 days na distancing namin ni Mr. And gusto ko ding i-clarify sa inyo na I never been to a patient who is positive sa virus. Nag-alala lang ako noong nag-cough ako. Isasabihin ko na sa inyo to. So, early Tuesday ata yun, early Tuesday morning, may nabilita sa trabaho namin na yung asawa ng manager namin nag-positive siya sa virus. At hindi siya nag-show ng symptoms. But then, yung asawa ng manager ko, nagtatrabaho siya sa hospital. So, nagpa-testing yung manager ko, and luckily naman, negative siya. So, nung nag-cough ako, it's my duty na sabihin ko sa manager ko, or in-inform ko din yung deputy manager ko na ganon, meron akong cough. What can you advise? So, sabi niya, that time na nag-ring ako, sabi niya na, see how you are later, and ring me, or I will ring you later what's going on. So, naghintay ako, and then later that day, nag-ring yung manager ko, or ako atang nag-ring. Basta, so, pinadi off ako ng manager ko. So, hindi ako pumasok sa Thursday. And then, tinawagan ulit ako ng deputy manager namin actually, na how I am doing. Sabi ko, okay na naman ako. And then, at that time, naniring niya ako that Thursday, yung manager namin, na-confirm namin na negative siya. And then, sabi ng ng deputy, it's better na muna talaga na mag-stay off ka na lang, kasi this is your last shift sa Friday. That was my last shift before I am going for 5 weeks off. So, sabi niya na, I think it's just better na mag-self-isolate. Yun yung sabi niya. But, she also advised me na if yung cough mo, mag-continue, meron kang high fever, magpa-test ka. But, if kung hindi, mag-self-isolate ka lang ng 7 days, mag-social distancing ng 7 days, and yun. Tinatapos ko na lang yung 7 days ko, and back to normal. And, hindi pa talaga kami pumupunta kay Biyenan. Pinaalam namin kay Biyenan. Nag-alala si Biyenan talaga. Sobrang nag-alala siya. So, sabi ko sa kanya na, don't get worried. I am fine. I am still breathing. I'm still doing my TikTok. Hindi ko minention actually sa kanya. But, nag-alala siya. Sabi niya, oh, love, you need to drink plenty of water. Sabi niya, So, anyway, yun lang yung chika ko mga palangga. So, maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang suporta. And, yeah. So at the moment, ang ginagawa ko para libangin ko yung sarili ko, it's either na mag-study ako, study hard, and doing TikTok, bahay, and yun lang. So, yeah. Take care mga palangga. This is serious. So, please stay at home as much as possible to stay safe and keep your distance. Okay? So, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Mwah!